my name is Veronica and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be chatting to you about vinegar. Vinegar makes most people think of fish and chips. But I assure you that's not the smell that you're going to keep having in your house. The smell of vinegar actually disappears quite quickly, but it eliminates other odors in the house. And just a very strange thing that I've picked up recently is that vinegar has its own national day. The 1st of November is National Vinegar Day in America. And it must be great if it has its own national day. Let's jump into its 10 uses. The first one is my absolute favorite. So it is a furniture polish. You take 1 part vinegar, 1 part olive oil, mix it together. You take the furniture cloth that you would normally use for furniture polish, you dab that into the mixture and you wipe your wooden furniture. It smoothes out all the nastiness. So the vinegar removes all the grime and the olive oil provides the shine. Number 2. This is also one of my most favorite because I've been using this for over a year now. And in the dishwasher, you usually have a place for your rinse aid. Instead of putting rinse aid in there, I have been putting in vinegar, pure concentrated vinegar. It has done absolutely nothing but remove any nasty soapy residues, and the smell is, well, there is no smell. None of my dishes ever have a smell, whether it is bad or whether it's good, it's just odorless. So it has saved me a ton of money. Next, I've using a solution. So it's 1 part vinegar, 1 part water in a spray bottle. You can use it all over the house. Now, number 3 is you use, in that spray bottle, you use it for your countertops. I normally clean my countertops with a soapy solution and afterwards go over it with this vinegar. The vinegar and water mixture removes the soapy residue and it provides a nice finish. Next one, I would normally use that same spray bottle for my furniture. The material for furniture, spray it on and it neutralizes any odors. Next, I would use it for the taps. So just take the same spray bottle solution, you spray onto the taps. You take a cloth and you basically buff it to shine, to absolute shine. Same can be done for mirrors. So you spray onto the mirrors and you wipe down in the same way that you would normally wipe down a mirror. And spray onto the mirrors, and not only does it give you a nice clean finish, but it also helps prevent the fogging. Next one. Okay. The next couple of uses are pure vinegar. No more that solution, but now it's just pure vinegar. So next I would use it in my washing machine in a softener dispenser and it softens your clothes just as well as the expensive softeners would. Also, if you want to wash your washing machine, put it into the laundry detergent dispenser and wash your machine without any clothes in, obviously. Or you can pour it directly into the washing machine and it takes away all the fluff and the dirt and the grime and stuff like that quite easily. You can pour vinegar into a little bowl, put it in the fridge, and it removes all the nasty smells, especially the ones left by your leftovers. Next is do the exact same thing for your microwave. Put it into a microwavable bowl, set the microwave for 4 minutes and remove with oven gloves, using oven gloves, safety first always, and you can wipe down the grime quite easily. It literally slides off. Last one. So pour a cup full of vinegar down a nasty stinky drain, leave it to set for about 5 minutes and then flush away with 1 liter of boiling hot water. What this does is the vinegar will sit in the trap, at the return trap, and it will loosen any grime and what have you, and then obviously the boiling hot water will just flush it away together with all the other nasty smells. you will not have a stinky jade for quite a while. Now that you have the 10 uses, there are more. Let me know in the comment section below which ones were your favorites and which ones you use constantly, and if there were any that you have not heard me talk about today that you use on a regular basis, let me know about those too. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, best compliment, please like the button, click on the like button, otherwise subscribe if you want to see more, click on the notifications button for more as soon as they get uploaded, and have a super wonderful day. Goodbye.